Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to change the background in Google Sheets. Whether you're looking to make your spreadsheet look a little nicer, highlight important information, or just make things easier to read, by the end of this video, you'll know how to add color to your sheet like a pro. It's a straightforward process, but I'll also share some extra tips to help you make the most of these features, so let's jump right in. Alright, go ahead and open your Google Sheet. It doesn't matter if you're starting with a brand new sheet or working on one that's already filled with data, the steps are exactly the same. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is look up at the top menu and click on Format. This menu is sort of like your toolbox for changing how your sheet looks. Everything from fonts to colors is in there. Sometimes folks get tripped up by looking in the wrong place, but remember, it's always in Format. Within the Format menu, you'll see an option called Alternating Colors. Go ahead and click it. This feature is fantastic because instead of manually coloring every single row or cell, you can automatically add alternating colors across your entire sheet. This not only makes your sheet prettier, but it also improves readability. It's like putting a highlighter on every other line so your eyes can more easily track information across the page. Trust me, if you've ever squinted at a giant table of numbers, you'll appreciate what a difference this makes. Now you'll see a panel pop up on the right side of your screen. That's where all the magic happens. The next step is to select the range of cells that you want to format. You'll see a box labeled Apply to Range. Click on that little box. If you want to fill the entire sheet, a quick shortcut is to click the area at the very top left of your sheet where the row numbers and column letters meet. This selects every cell in your Google Sheet. But if you just want to color a specific section, you can highlight those cells with your cursor, and their range will show up in the box. Don't worry if you accidentally select the wrong area. You can always click in the box and update the range. It's really forgiving. Once you have your range set, it's time for the fun part, picking the colors. In the Alternating Colors panel, you'll see a list of ready-made color styles on one side, or you can go custom and pick your own shades. Just click on the color boxes to experiment and see which ones you like best. Maybe a soft gray for a subtle touch, or go bold with some color if you really want your sheet to pop. This is a chance to be creative or keep it simple, whatever fits your needs. You'll also notice there's an option to header. If you have headings in the first row like column titles, you might want to keep this box checked. It'll give your headers a different color to help them stand out. But if you don't use headers or you just want all the rows to match, simply untick that box. Simple as that. Take a moment to double check your selections. If you're happy with how it looks, just click Done at the bottom of the panel. Google Sheets will apply the background colors instantly. It's as easy as that, and if you change your mind later, you can always go back and update your color scheme. And that's it, your Google Sheet now looks so much more organized and visually appealing. Remember, you can always play with these colors to match your mood or your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips for sprucing up your spreadsheets, drop a comment down below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.